NHS Inform says that an irregular heartbeat, known as atrial fibrillation, increases your risk by about 4 to 5 times of having a stroke. It affects around 800,000 people in the UK, and some people don't know they have it. Others experience dizziness, shortness of breath, palpitations, or just feel very tired. You can test yourself for atrial fibrillation using a device which sends the results to your mobile phone or tablet. It costs something in the region of £100, and there are various different models on the market. The device in the video is the Electrocardiogram. It records your pulse and the rhythm of your heart and sends a chart to your phone or tablet. An app provides useful information, and you can email or simply show the chart to your doctor. If you find you have an irregular heartbeat, NHS Inform advises that you should see your doctor immediately.